So today we're going to be removing and replacing this headlamp on this Vauxhall Corsa C. So we've got an 8mm socket and we'll just undo these bolts here. Two at the top, and we will take out these three for the bumper just to give us a bit of room. So we've got a torx screw there to remove, and hopefully the bumper then will loosen. Okay, so we'll just take that out with our fingers. We just got the ratchet in there to loosen it. Yeah, it's torx. Now we think there should be a 10mm bolt here, but there's just a hole where it perhaps was, so we can hopefully pull the bumper forward now. Yeah, so there would have been a 10mm bolt in there and it's totally missing, so that gives an easier life. So we can see, we can loosen the bumper off now and get in there. There's a bolt there, 10mm bolt, actually 8mm bolt. So now we're in, we can see that there's another torx down there, but we can get his eyes on the bolt for the headlight. Just there. So we just wind that out. And then we should be able to move the headlamp forward. So we've got the headlamp forward now, and that's put us in a better position to disconnect the headlamp. So you just pull this red tab up, and then the connector comes off the headlamp. So we've got a brand new unit and this is the old one, so we're just swapping a few bits over, and that's the beam adjuster we've had to move out, and that end there just tucks in. There's a little groove down there, you'll see it as you remove it, and you'll need a torx for that, I believe a T20. So we've got the new beam adjuster in, and you just keep your eye around there, that's got to go in for it to adjust the beam. You can see it moving around. If you don't get that ball in there, it won't be happening. So we've got the new one in. After swapping the bulbs and the levelling device, you can see it's a contrast on the old one. It's a lot clearer. So I'll just put a couple of bolts in, just loosely to secure it so it don't fall on the floor when we do the next part. So what I had to do to locate this, we just push the headlamp back a little and we found where it should go. So we'll get this one nipped up fully. So before we go too far, we're just going to give it a test. Yeah. So we've had a check and all's well now. Strangely enough, it decided to blow a headlamp at this terrible time. So we'll put things back together. So just lift these on there square. Okay, so we'll put the bumper back on. So that is one headlamp replaced. We've put all the screws back. Many thanks for watching, and why not subscribe to learn more low cost repair solutions.